Good day, my dear learners. Here is your sweet teacher Jane once again. Welcome to our science class. For today, we are now on quarter 1, week 3. For our learning competency, describe the appearance and uses of uniform and non-uniform mixtures. And for the objective for today, identify common household solutions and suspensions. Describe the characteristics of suspension. To start with, I would like you to look at the following pictures. Where do we usually use these household materials? Let's have the first one. Yes, it's a shampoo and it is used as personal grooming. You're right. Next one. What about the rubbing alcohol? Yes, it is used as medical and cleaning agent. And the third one, it's used for cooking. The fourth picture, it's used in cleaning. And the fifth picture and the last picture we have, it is used in cooking also. In our homes, water is solvent used in drinking, cooking, washing, bathing, cleaning, and dissolving agent. For today, let me have you these two medicines. These are both antibiotic. And have you ever wondered why mothers shake this before taking it? Try to look at this one. It is written here as oral suspension. Therefore, it is an oral suspension that has to be shaken first before taking it. But why? For today, we are going to take out suspension. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture which has particles that do not completely dissolve and settle down at the bottom. It is also a cloudy mixture and the other substance still visible. Suspensions are useful in our household activities and people's daily lives like in baking and in medicine. For example, let's watch this video first. We have the glass of water, pepper powder, and spoon. Let's try to put the pepper powder in the glass of water and stir it. Try to observe what will happen to the mixture. Okay, now the appearance of the mixtures changes after a few seconds, right? The pepper powder particles settled at the bottom and the other particles suspend on top. And this is what we call suspension. Get it? Next one. When a solid does not dissolve in a liquid, a suspension is formed. For example, this mud mixed to water. The mud settled down after a few minutes, but if you try to stir it again, it will become colorful somewhat. It forms as one substance, but then again, some of the solid will not be dissolved by the liquid. The mud settle down and after a few minutes without disturbing the mixture. The next example is the cup, the oil, and the water. Cooking oil floats and does not dissolve in the water, and still it is visible. Therefore, these two are both examples of suspension. Another thing is sand does not dissolve in the solvent. Therefore, resulting a mixture is suspension. Different drinks, when left undisturbed, substances settles and suspend. And these are also an example of suspensions. Now, you have to remember suspension is a heterogeneous mixture which has particles that do not completely dissolve and settle down at the bottom. It is also a cloudy mixture. The solute in a suspension are not uniformly distributed. Some particles are still visible in the mixture. Some suspensions may be turbid or unclear, but if you will let it settle for some time, it will become clear. And that's it. That is the appearance of suspension. And that ends our lesson. I hope to see you next time in our class. Bye bye.